Let's dive right in. Echo Frames, 2nd Gen. With hands-free Alexa integration, Echo Frames let you make calls, listen to podcasts, control your smart home, and more. Enjoy open-ear audio with auto volume, adjusting sound to your environment in real time while maintaining privacy. Also, stay connected with the VIP filter, customizing notifications from your important contacts and apps. If you'd like to wear them all day, then that's no problem. The lightweight frames are designed for all-day wear, featuring IPX4 splash resistance and availability in prescription-ready frames, polarized sunglass lenses, or blue light filtering lenses. With over 14 hours of battery life, you'll have uninterrupted connectivity. Echo Buds Wireless Earbuds. Immerse yourself in a world of dynamic sound with Echo Buds Wireless Earbuds that deliver crisp, balanced audio, while the active noise cancellation ANC technology blocks out distractions. Also, you can personalize your listening experience with audio personalization, optimizing every beat for your unique hearing preferences. These small, lightweight earbuds are designed to move with you, providing a secure and customizable fit. Seamlessly switch between devices with multi-point pairing, ensuring you never miss a beat from video calls to your favorite tunes. Plus, enjoy up to 5 hours of music playback per charge, with the compact charging case offering up to 15 hours of total battery life. Fire TV Cube. This powerhouse boasts lightning-fast app starts thanks to its incredible octa-core processor, making it 2 times more powerful than the Fire TV Stick 4K Max. With hands-free Alexa, you can control your compatible TV, soundbar, and receivers with just your voice, no matter where you are in the room. Navigate easily between streaming and your cable box or game console. And with Wi-Fi 6E support, you'll enjoy smoother streaming than ever before. Immerse yourself in breathtaking cinematic 4K picture quality, complete with Dolby Vision, HDR, and Dolby Atmos audio, bringing every scene to life. With over 1 million movies and TV episodes, Fire TV Cube offers endless entertainment right in your home. Amazon Fire Max 11 Tablet. Enjoy stunning detail with the Amazon Fire Max 11 tablet. Its big 11-inch screen and 2.4 million pixels brings your movies, shows, and games to life. Powered by an octa-core processor and 4 GB of memory, it delivers lightning-fast performance for streaming, gaming, and multitasking. The sleek aluminum design is 3 times more durable than the iPad. Enjoy up to 14 hours of entertainment on the go, with storage options up to 128 GB. Boost productivity with the optional keyboard case and stylus pen. Also, stay connected with the 4-megapixel camera and enjoy family-friendly features like parental controls and access to a vast library of content. Amazon Kindle Scribe. Unleash your creativity on the world's first 10.2-inch 300 ppi glare-free paper white display. Accompanied by the versatile basic pen, Amazon Kindle Scribe allows you to jot down your thoughts on virtual sticky notes, seamlessly organize and browse your handwritten notes, then effortlessly convert and share them via email. With the ability to import and review documents, mark up PDFs, and create digital sticky notes, Amazon Kindle Scribe is your ultimate productivity companion. Day or night, the adjustable warm light and auto-adjusting front light ensure comfort as you indulge in a captivating reading or writing session. Amazon Eero Pro 6E Mesh Wi-Fi Router. This first Wi-Fi 6E system by Eero grants you access to the blazing fast 6 GHz band, ensuring lower latency across your entire network. But that's not all. With Eero Pro 6E, you can now enjoy wired speeds without the hassle of wires, whether you're gaming, working, or streaming. Experience the thrill of seamless gaming thanks to Eero technology optimizing your Wi-Fi performance. With network speeds up to 2.3 gigabits per second and coverage up to 2,000 square feet, you can connect over 100 devices without missing a beat. Amazon Fire TV 50-inch 4 Series 4K UHD Smart TV offers breathtaking visuals with support for vivid 4K Ultra HD, HDR10, HLG, and Dolby Digital Plus. Your screen bursts with vibrant colors and crystal clear clarity, taking your viewing experience to new heights. With Alexa at your command, effortlessly find, launch, and control your favorite content, all while staying updated with weather, sports scores, and more. Stream over 1 million movies and TV episodes from top streaming platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney+. Also, Fire TV keeps getting better, constantly adding new Alexa skills, smart home integration, and voice functionality. Luna Wireless Controller. Built exclusively for Amazon Luna, Luna Wireless Controller ensures an unparalleled gaming experience on the cloud. But here's where it gets exciting. This controller isn't limited to just one device. It seamlessly works across Windows, Mac, Fire TV, Fire tablets, iPhones, iPads, Chromebooks, and Android devices. With easy screen switching, you can pause your game on one screen and effortlessly pick up where you left off on another. Whether you connect via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB, this controller guarantees low-latency gameplay and impeccable responsiveness. Amazon Echo Studio. Brace yourself as 5 powerful speakers from the Amazon Echo Studio unleash thunderous bass, dynamic mid-range, and crystal clear highs. Thanks to Dolby Atmos technology, you'll feel the music come alive, surrounding you with space, clarity, and depth. Just ask Alexa to play your favorite tunes from top streaming platforms like Amazon Music, Apple Music, and Spotify in breathtaking HD, Ultra HD, and 3D audio quality. Now, not only does the Echo Studio adapt to any room, but it also doubles as a smart home hub, letting you control Zigbee-compatible devices with a single command. Also, stay connected with your loved ones using Alexa's intercom feature, keeping the entire house in sync. Amazon Smart Thermostat with C-Wire power adapter. Say goodbye to your old thermostat and embrace a smarter, more energy-efficient home. The Amazon Smart Thermostat is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Imagine Alexa taking charge of your comfort, automatically adjusting the temperature to suit your needs. Whether you're at home or on the go, the power is in your hands, or rather in the Alexa app. With Honeywell home thermostat technology, backed by over 130 years of experience, reliability is guaranteed. After you purchase, Amazon will also provide you with information on potential rebates from energy providers in your area, helping you save even more.